Hello kids, I hope you all are enjoying learning about money and you have done till now ample practice of all the exercises which we have done till now. So today we are going to learn about money sums. So as you can see, there are few things and there is a price written below or in front of these things. Like the first one is crayons and the price of crayons is 10 rupees. Then eraser is of 3 rupees. Next is chocolate is of 15 rupees. Then chips are of 22 rupees. Then 46 rupees is for the car. Then is a book is of 51 rupees. A jam bottle is of 64 rupees and an ice cream of 20 rupees. So we have to solve this, that how much do they cost, and we have to check about crayons and chocolates. So how we are going to do that? From that all the items, there were some price given of each item. So we know that crayons were of 10 rupees and chocolate was of 15 rupees. So in this sum we have to add and tell what is the combined cost, because it is written together. Together means when we are joining two things together. So we have to calculate the sum of crayons and chocolate. For that we have to add the cost of crayons plus the cost of chocolate. So cost of crayons is 10 rupees and cost of chocolate is 15 rupees. So when we are going to add 0 plus 5, we are going to start from 1's place. So 0 plus 5 is 5 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 25 rupees. Now let's see our second sum. In this sum we have to calculate the cost of ice cream and eraser. So the ice cream was of 20 rupees. So we are going to write 20 here, and eraser was of 3 rupees. So we will write 3 here. So when we add, start with the ones place, 0 and 3, it is 0 and 3 is 3 and 2 as it is, we are going to note it down. The tens place, because nothing is below 2, so we are going to write 2 here. So 23 rupees is the total cost of ice cream and eraser. Next is we have to calculate the cost of chips and jam. So how to do that? Chips are of 22 rupees, so we will write 22 rupees, and jam is of 64 rupees, so we are going to write 64 below that, 64 rupees. And when we add, so 2 plus 4 is 6 and 2 plus 6 is 8. So what is this? 86 rupees. We will write rupees also. Next is crayons and books. So crayons, cost of crayons is 10 rupees. We'll write 10 rupees. Then books, cost of books is 51 rupees. So we will write 51 rupees below 10. And when we add, then 0 and 1 comes to 1 and 1 plus 5 is 6. So these are 61 rupees, because when we are adding the same things, rupees and rupees, then the answer will also come in rupees. Next is toy car and chips. So toy car is of 46 rupees and chips is of 22 rupees. So 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. So this is 68 rupees. So the total cost of toy car and chips is 68 rupees. Next is jam and chocolate. Jam is of 64 rupees and chocolate is of 15 rupees. So when we add 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 1, 7. So that comes to be 79 rupees. Don't forget to write rupees in front of whatever your answer is going to come. So jam and chocolate combined cost is 79 rupees. Alright, so students, do the practice of these sums. This is very simple. You just have to do the simple addition. We are adding two things and calculating their sum. What is the total cost of the two things when we combine? Okay, and don't forget to write rupees in the answer also. So take care. Bye bye.